Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I have no makeup on, so I'm going to talk about skincare. Now for today's video, I have my top 5 favorite skincare at the moment that I really have been loving. I have been using them since it's a transition weather kind of a situation right now. Like, it's not exactly hot, but it's not exactly cold. These are the products that I have been using and I feel like they are very underrated. They're amazing, not too much heavy on the pocket. I decided to, keep it under 500 as much as possible. So yeah, let's just dive right in. So the first thing that I want to talk about here is a product from Earth Rhythm, and I have tested out their products so much in the past and I absolutely love the brand. I just feel like they make really good, decent skincare products. Now this is the AHA Glow Fruit Acids Cleansing Balm. I have heard a lot of things about their cleansing balm, so I decided to try it out. Since I apply makeup on a day-to-day basis, I definitely need good cleansing balms and makeup removers to take my makeup at the end of the day. So I decided to test this one out, and I have to tell you guys, it is one of the best cleansing balms that I have tried personally. Now why I like it is because of the product formulation. Now the formulation, when you see it in the tub, it's very stiff, but obviously when you put it on your face, when you massage it in, it turns into a very oily consistency that actually removes all of your makeup, all of the dirt and everything. So it really actually cleanses your skin. Another thing I do want to talk about this product is that there are a lot of cleansing balms that irritates near my eyes. I cannot put cleansing balms or some cleansing oils near my eyes because they irritate my eyes a lot. But with this one, you can see that I tried to remove my mascara and I remove all of my eye makeup with this product, and it does not irritate my eyes at all. It has never irritated my skin too, and it's very mild and gentle on my skin, and that is why I like it. So the third thing about this, why I like it, is because it cleanses it cleanses off really nicely. A lot of cleansing balms kind of sometimes leaves a oily residue or oily texture on the skin even after washing with face wash, cleanser, good cleansers, and then you need to go in with 2 or 3 layers of cleansing gel or cleansers, and I do not like that. With this one, it actually just goes so nicely. It dissolves with water really nicely and just goes away. So that is why I like it. Also, it contains natural AHA, which is a very mild form of exfoliation, gives you a little bit of mild form of exfoliation too. So definitely something that I really like, and it's not really that heavy on the pocket. Also, you definitely don't need to go in with a lot of product when it comes to this. You can just scoop out a little bit of product and that's it. Also, you can use a spatula with this to take out product, or with your fingers. I honestly just like to take it out with my fingers only. So yeah, really something that I absolutely love and have really been using this in my skincare routine. So the next product is something that is recent to my collection, but I really love it. So this is actually a face mask, and this is the Cica Calming Rapid Relief Face Mask by Dot & Key. Now this is a face mask I like to use after shaving my face. I like to shave my face almost every week, I would say, and whenever I'm shaving my face, right after shaving my face, I really like to go in with a face mask that is very calming, very gel like, nothing sort of clay mask or anything, nothing like that, but something that is very calming at the same time that may be a bit hydrating as well, because then I feel like my skin just soaks up the mask and it does not irritate my skin right after shaving. That's what I like to do, just calm my skin down a little bit. And I do have to say, I was using this product. It is a Korean skincare, and this is the Axis Y New Skin Revolution Gel Mask. And let me tell you guys that this is a dupe. Now we will look at the dupe maybe more in my future videos, maybe for another video. We'll talk about how it's a dupe, but I can tell you guys that it's almost like the same product. It has a very strong scent of Cica in it. It's not an artificial added fragrance, by the way. It's the scent of cica, and I can see like cica leaves on this mask as well, like this gel mask as well. I do really like Dot & Key products, but I feel like this one has just worked for me so well. It honestly just calms my skin down, and it just gives me the hydration as well. So I like to just apply it with a spatula. You can use your fingers as well, it's totally up to you. But yeah, it's like a gel based mask, and if you have dry skin, oily skin, even acne prone skin, I still feel like you're going to like this. It's a little bit less, like the portion of the product is not that much. You can use this maybe once a week, keep it on for 10 minutes and then just rinse it off, and you're going to feel the difference right after one use. So yes, definitely something that is 10 on 10. So the next product I have here is from Dot & Key. Now this specifically is, I feel like, for oily skin people. So this is the Derma Co. Did I say Dot & Key? Sorry, this is from Derma Co. So this is the 1% Salicylic plus Hyaluronic Night Repair Face Serum Gel. Now this is something you can use like a night mask, or you know, just like a sleeping mask before going to bed. Now why I am recommending this for oily skin people more is because of the texture. The texture of this product is very unique. It looks like gel, but it's not exactly like a gel based product. It actually just absorbs into your skin so nicely. It also contains 1% salicylic acid at the same time, and also hyaluronic acid too. So it gives you a little bit of hydration, it gives you a mild exfoliation. This is, I feel like, for lazy people. If you don't want to apply any serum right after washing your face, you want to apply just one product and go to bed, I feel like this can be your go-to product. For me, it does not give me enough hydration. So after using this, I need to definitely layer, you know, cream products on top of it, just because I have dry skin. But if you have oily skin, just give this a try, and I am pretty sure that you're going to love the texture of this. A lot of oily skin people always ask for my recommendation, and I am not the best at recommending skincare products for oily skin, let's just be honest, but I know that you're going to love this if you have oily skin. Because of the texture, it almost feels like nothing on the skin. And I know that, you know, when you have oily skin, you want something that is going to give you the results, but also you don't want to feel it on your skin. So I feel like this is maybe the perfect product for you. So the next product I have here is actually a lip mask, and it is from the brand Organic Harvest. Now I haven't used anything else from this brand. I only got it because I thought the product looked very, very cute, but it is so useful and helpful. It gives me the most hydration to my lips. Like, I have tried a lot of lip mask, and I have tried the Dot & Key lip mask, I have tried Mars lip mask, so many. I even have tried the Laneige sleeping mask, which is really very popular, but this has to be the top most favorite lip mask, especially for this winter season. And my lips are already very dry. I swatch so many different lipsticks for my videos. I need a very good hydrating lip mask at the end of the day, and this is the last step that I use in my skincare routine. So what I like about this lip mask is that once you put it on your lips, it just melts, you know, it just melts into this buttery sort of consistency, like liquid butter, and it hydrates your lips so nicely. You wake up with plump, hydrated and very soft lips. And yeah, I just feel like if you're looking for a very good lip mask that just works, you can go look for this one. And let me just look through the ingredients here. So this lip mask is formulated with coffee extract. I actually cannot smell anything related to coffee, and it has shea butter in here as well. So it says it's going to brighten dark lips, lock moisture. I don't know about lightening of lips or anything like that, but definitely for hydration and moisturization, this lip mask is something that I absolutely love. The last product I have here is a hand cream recommendation. Now, I think some of you guys asked me in my previous video, you know, since winter is coming, you guys need a hand cream recommendation. So one of my favorite hand cream has to be the Dot & Key. Again, this is the hand cream, and it has lavender plus peppermint in here, and this is a sanitizer and a moisturizer together in one. So honestly, I wanted to recommend you guys a hand cream that isn't oily. Like for example, on my face, a little bit of moisture looks like, you know, it's fine because it's my face. But when it comes to hands, I really want something that is moisturizing, yes, but that does not leave a oily residue. I hate when my hand feels very chippa, very oily, just hate the feeling. So I found that this one actually definitely does give me the moisturization. It almost also smells so good, very calming, like lavender scent. If you don't like lavender scent, I think they might have a different scent in this range, but I'm not sure about it. So it retails for $3.25 and is also good for gifting as well for this season. So yes, I really do like this a lot too, and I just feel like it is one of the best hand creams that I have tried. Very lightweight and very good for moisturization, and you can really carry this in your bag as well. Very sleek at the same time. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. These are my short recommendation for you guys. I really love these products. I just feel like they work for me so well, and these are the products that I have been continuously using in my skincare routine, and I really have been loving them. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, it helped you out a little bit maybe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.